Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete comment history on TikTok account. And here's how it is done. Begin by opening the TikTok app on your phone and tapping on your profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are in your profile, look the top right corner and tap on the three lines icon, which will open up the main menu for your account settings. From there, choose Settings and Privacy to access more options. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you see the Activity Center. Tap on this option, and within it, you'll find a section labeled Comment History. This will display a complete list of every comment you have made on TikTok, organized chronologically. If you want to remove a specific comment, tap on the comment to open it. Then tap and hold onto the text until a small menu pops up with the delete option. Select delete, and that comment will be permanently removed from the particular video. That is everything you need to know about how to delete comment history on TikTok account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.